In today's video, I'm going to share the story of a husband who did not know what to say. He called me and said, please, can you help me curate a package? Me and my wife have not been talking properly for a month now. So without wasting much time, let's just go straight into this video. But if today is your first time seeing my face on your screen, my name is Choice, a gift curator and a surprise planner. On this channel, we help people create unforgettable moments through thoughtful gifts and surprises that strengthen relationships, spread kindness, and make people feel truly special. So do it to subscribe for more tutorials and gift idea. He contacted me quietly one evening and said him and his wife has been arguing constantly at home. No communication, no closeness, just silence at home. And then he said, our birthday is fast approaching. I want to try something different. So we created a surprise package filled with an apology note, a rose flower, a picture from their early years, and a little reminder of why they fell in love. While decorating the gift box, I kept thinking, can something this simple really heal the distance between him and the wife? The next day, he gave her the surprise package, and she looked at the package and looked at her husband. And guess what? For the first time in months, they hug. And that reminds me that sometimes healing starts with a simple, thoughtful gesture. So today, I just want to remind you to send a package to someone you love today and watch love grow at home. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.